Imagine seeing right through your own body. The glass frog, native to Central and South America, has a translucent belly, allowing you to see its heart beating and food digesting. These tiny green amphibians, often no larger than a fingernail, live in the rainforest canopy and are masters of disguise. At night, they become nearly invisible, blending seamlessly with leaves to avoid predators. But their transparency isn't just for show. It helps them regulate body temperature by absorbing and reflecting light. Scientists are fascinated by these frogs, studying them to better understand genetics and transparency. Next time you think you've seen it all, remember the glass frog and its extraordinary cloak of invisibility.